everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nurse Patience. In today's video, we'll be talking about the simplest way of knowing your ovulation day in 2023. Please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning viewer stroke subscriber on the same channel, I am saying thank you. So back to the topic of discussion. How do you know for yourself your ovulation day in this current year that we are? This video is made on request based on one of our follower here who complained about having difficulty in knowing about her ovulation day, and that is the reason why I have decided to put up this particular video. So please, if you are the one I'm making this video for, just sit back, and others too will be able to learn from this. I know that apart from her complaining, there are other people who this particular video would be of great help to them. So like I said, I'll be sharing with you in today's video the simplest way of knowing or calculating your ovulation date. So the materials you need for today's video is a calendar. You need a calendar, then you need to recall or remember the last time you saw your menses. That's the beginning. The first day of your menses, you need to remember, because these two things are very vital: a calendar and then the last time you saw your menses. Okay, since you have these things handy, then we can start with the process of knowing how to calculate your ovulation day. The first day of your menses, or the first day of your cycle, is the day your menses begin. I would always say this: the first day of every cycle or the first day of bleeding is that day you first saw your menses. So having known this, you should be able to extrapolate from the last time you saw your menses, the first day of your cycle stroke the first day of your menses, as this is very important. Then another thing you need to know is knowing the length of your cycle. How do you know the length of your cycle? Videos have also been made on this particular channel to help address this particular situation. What are those videos? If you check on this same channel, you will see ways in which you can calculate and know your ovulation stroke safe and unsafe period for people with both regular and irregular menses. So videos have been provided to help or aid you to know the average length of your cycle, and it will do you great good for you to go and watch those videos so that you'll be able to appreciate what we'll be discussing here. So for the purpose of this video, to help all of you watching this video to be able to see what I'll be doing, I would not be using my mobile phone to keep track of my menses stroke determining my ovulation day. And mind you, this video is not for me. I'm making this video because of you. I'm not calculating or trying to know my ovulation date, but I'm trying to help someone out there know how to calculate their ovulation date. So we are going to start the calculation. So here with me here is a calendar, a hard copy calendar, and like I told you, you need to keep record of your menses. The first day of your menses is very important because that is the first day of your cycle. And to enable you know the length of your cycle, the simplest formula is from the first day of bleeding, which is the first day of your menses, to a day before the next cycle, that's your next menses. How do I mean by this particular, or what do I mean by this particular statement I've just made? If you are to ovulate, if you start seeing your menses on the 1st of January, if your menses started on the 1st of January here, you keep it down, okay? Then you have menstruated for like 5 days. You menstruated for like 5 days, which is here. After that period of 5 days, then bleeding has ceased completely. You continue about your daily activities till on the day 29th. Then you start seeing your menses again. Okay, so how do you know your length of cycle from this particular example I've just given? So you start from day 1, which is the first day of your cycle. To be able to know this length of your cycle, you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So say for example you have a 28-day cycle, because for you to be able to, like I've said earlier, to be able to get to this cycle length, it is from the first day of bleeding to the day before the next period starts. So having this record down now is already a plus on the part of that individual. So let's move straight to determining the ovulation date from this 28 days cycle. I'm not only going to be restricting this video to just a 28-day cycle. I would also talk about those other days for those who have a shorter cycle and those ones who have a longer cycle, say 31, 32, 33, even up to the 100. All of those provisions would be made for in this particular video. If the length of your cycle could be day 26, 25, 21, 30, 35, 36, 37, it could be 29, it could be 31, whatsoever number the length of your cycle is, provided you know that this is the number of cycle I have, that is of advantage already. So what you need to do is you subtract 14. You subtract what? 14 from that cycle length. It is that subtracting 14 from your cycle length would give you the day you'll be ovulating. So this is very, very important that you know your cycle length, and after knowing your cycle length, you subtract 14 days from your cycle length, and that will give you an idea of the day you'll be ovulating. Citing an example of individuals who have different cycle lengths and the day they are expected to ovulate. If your cycle length is 26 days, if you subtract 14 from 26 days, you have 12 days. So such an individual would be ovulating on the what? 12th day. For individuals who have 27 days, that cycle length, if you subtract 14, you get 13. For an average cycle length of 28 days, you have ovulation on day 14. Same thing for 29, you have ovulation on day 15. 30 days you have for 16. 31 you have for 17. For 32 days you have for day 18. That's on the day 18 you would be ovulating. For those who want to get pregnant, ovulation is your ovulation day is that particular day you are to utilize the most for sexual activities, as this will result to pregnancy. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please, if these are the kind of content you want and you've gotten value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop comments on this video. Thank you.